driver.
Sorry, I didn't mean it that way.
I mean, I stop for the yellow light.
Yes, you do.
I never jump the red one.
No, you never jump a red one.
I look out for pedestrians.
You never miss a pedestrian.
Then why can't I drive?
Because you don't use your seatbelt.
What's that got to do with the way I drive?
It has nothing to do with the way you drive. It has to do with buckling up. It seems to me that you don't care enough about your safety. And if you don't care about your safety, how can I trust you with mine?
Oh, see, there you go. Right away. Me, mine. That's all you think about is yourself.
Me, my. It's us.
Oh, I love it when you grab me like that. Do it again, honey. You're terrific. You're so masculine. Oh, honey, you're right. From now on, first thing in the car, zip on with the old seatbelt, okay?
Okay.
Oh, honey, I love you.
I love you.
Now, can I drive the car?
Are you kidding?
Wear a seatbelt for someone you love.
We stated that so long as we at ABC gather, report, and interpret the news, we have a continuing obligation to reflect accurately and impartially the world around us. We can do no less. We must tell it and must show it like it is, despite the admonitions of some critics who wish us to do otherwise. To close our eyes to the realities of our time, an attempt to substitute a bland and Pollyanna point of view in our news and public affairs programming would be the greatest disservice we could render to the American public.